For years we were told eggs, butter, cheese, pasta, potatoes, and even chocolate would destroy our health. But what if that advice was wrong? Many of these foods are actually eaten by people who live the longest on Earth. Today we'll count down 10 everyday foods you thought were unhealthy, but actually support longevity, brain function, and overall health. Let's get right into it. 10 eggs. Eggs were once feared for cholesterol, but your body needs cholesterol to function. The yolk is packed with choline, which supports memory and brain health. Eating eggs raises good cholesterol and transforms harmful cholesterol into a safer form. Breakfast egg eaters feel full longer, eat less throughout the day, and have a lower risk of stroke. In countries like Japan, eggs are a staple for long life, and they even provide vitamin D, something most of us lack. 9. Full-fat cheese. Full-fat cheese isn't your enemy. Thanks to vitamin K2, cheese directs calcium into bones instead of arteries, helping prevent heart disease. Cheese fat improves nutrient absorption from vegetables, while low-fat alternatives often include starches and additives. Real cheese is satisfying, reduces overall calorie intake, and can be a heart-healthy choice when eaten in moderation. Grass-fed butter. Grass-fed butter contains vitamin K2 and butyrate, which reduce inflammation, support gut health, and help absorb vitamins from vegetables. Unlike margarine or processed spreads, butter from grass-fed cows is natural, nutrient-rich, and supports long-term health. Moderation is key, but your grandma was onto something when she used it generously. 7. Spicy foods. Spicy food might make you sweat, but it can also add years to your life. Capsaicin, the compound that makes peppers hot, speeds metabolism, fights inflammation, improves circulation, and triggers feel-good endorphins. People who eat spicy foods regularly have a lower risk of early death. Real spicy food, eaten consistently, provides these health benefits. Capsaicin pills won't cut it. 6. Dark chocolate. Real dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or more, is rich in flavonoids that improve blood flow, relax arteries, and lower blood pressure. It's also packed with antioxidants and supports gut bacteria that reduce inflammation. Just a small portion a day is enough to benefit your heart and brain. Milk chocolate, sugary bars, or excess amounts, however, won't help. 5. Pasta. Pasta isn't the enemy, preparation and portion matter. Al dente pasta digests slowly, avoids blood sugar spikes, and contains resistant starch when cooled, feeding healthy gut bacteria. In Sardinia, Italy, a region known for longevity, pasta is eaten regularly with vegetables, olive oil, and protein, demonstrating that pasta can fit into a long, healthy life. 4. Sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is fermented, which breaks down gluten, improves nutrient absorption, and supports gut bacteria. This makes it more digestible and nutritious than standard bread. Fermented foods, like sourdough, are staples in long-living populations. Authentic sourdough has simple ingredients: flour, water, and salt, no chemicals or shortcuts. 3. Red wine. Moderate red wine consumption, about 1 glass per day, may support longevity. Resveratrol in grape skins triggers cellular defense mechanisms, strengthening cells through mild stress, a process called hormesis. The benefits disappear with overconsumption, and non-drinkers can get similar compounds from grapes and berries. It's moderation, not excess, that counts. 2. Organ meats. Organ meats, particularly liver, are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with vitamin A, B12, iron, and zinc. Predators instinctively eat organs first because they contain the most nutrients. The liver processes toxins, it doesn't store them. Once seen as poor people's food, organ meats are now recognized as a superfood, giving you more nutrients than regular muscle meat at a fraction of the cost. 1. Potatoes. Potatoes have been unfairly labeled as empty carbs, but they're full of potassium, fiber, and resistant starch, especially when eaten with the skin or cooked and cooled. Resistant starch feeds gut bacteria, improves digestion, and increases satiety. Boiled potatoes are one of the most filling foods, helping you stay satisfied while consuming fewer calories. Potatoes are a humble, affordable, and nutrient-dense staple that can support long-term health. The foods we've feared for decades, eggs, butter, cheese, pasta, potatoes, chocolate, and more, are often some of the healthiest choices we can make. Fear and misinformation caused us to avoid these everyday superfoods, but science now shows they can support longevity, brain health, and overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it with someone who still fears these foods, and subscribe for more science-based health tips. Eat smart, stay curious, and best wishes for a long, healthy life.